Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to one name on Facebook account. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your Facebook menu. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings. Here you can see More in Account Center. Press on this. Now select your profiles. Here you can see the option of name. Click on it. If you just set one name on Facebook account, you just have to set the first name. And in the option of last name, you have to press here space and click on Review Change. That's it. So this is how to one name on Facebook account. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.